Okay, what are we doing?
And we are we're like going on a hike. And nobody comes here because nobody would travel this far.
Yeah, it's a faraway place no one knows about, right? And what, did you swim in the waterfalls and the pool?
Oh yeah. Daddy, you jumped so high. You're like.
That's because you challenged me. I would never jump that far away.
Yes, you would. I challenged you. That's unusual. And there's like this big cliff.
And so we found where the destination, right? Sebastian, ice bucket challenge, давай.
1, 2, 3. Oh, it's freezing!
Ныряй!
What?
Ныряй! Два комара! Тихо, на меня не брызгай. Комара представляет, Себастьян. Ну как водичка? How's your ice bucket challenge? Dun, dun, dun.
Jump in the mountain, you!
That was a funny jump, huh?